Man, I can't sleep, got this show next week. Don't even know if the bill's gonna work. Did I turn the battery charger on? Man, I gotta go check. Check the design again. Wanna be low with me. Tryna fall asleep, but I'm counting amps. Dreaming of subs and make the earth hurt. Do I got enough room for it? Airport, does it got enough flair? Did I get the math right or the seams all tight? If I blow a sub up, I'll be up all night. Basic, I'm a hardcore basic. Maxing out cars, always in the red. Dropping enough bass to wake the dead. Basic, I'm a hardcore basic. Roll up loud, bass hitting the ground. You know it's me when you hear that sound. I'm a basic. Bought 8 alternator at a GP show. 7 bills just to make it go. 3 more bills on a roller wire. Grand on amps that spit out fire. Sales cost $300 a piece. Plywood 80 cause I can't go cheap. Took me years to build this right. Bleeding knuckles but full of pride. Basic, I'm a hardcore basic. Maxing out cars, always in the red. Dropping enough bass to wake the dead. Basic, I'm a hardcore basic. Roll up loud, bass hitting the ground. You know it's me when you hear that sound. I'm a basic. Basshead life, I'm deep in the dust. Empty that blonde and broke my trust. Every cut, every brace, every line. Built this box with a dream in mind. Neighbors banging on my door, saying turn that down, but I want more. Every decibel hits my soul. Bass my drug, that's my goal. When that meter flash high, I lose control. Feeling that pressure deep in my soul. Crowd go wild when the note drops low. I live for that tone, that thunder roll. Sunrise hits the show, they bright. Barely slept, but the bill feels right. Door swing open, crowd get loud. Bass roll deep, I move the crowd. Mic on dash, take a breath, let's go. Heartbeats racing, time to show. Hit that tone, the ground shakes wide. Numbers climbing, I'm filled with pride. Made her flash, crowd goes nuts. Numbers high and I'm feeling no rush. Years of grind, it's all alright. Guess I'll sleep good after the night, yeah. Bass headlight. Charge the batteries, charge the light. Man, I'm so sure it hit last night. Oh.